PREMAG portable wardrobe for hanging clothes, combination armoire, modular cabinet for space saving, ideal storage organizer cube closet for books, toys, TOWELS, 10 cube, extra stickers included. Modern design. Pure white closed doors and walls. High quality steel tube and PP plastic connectors can perfectly meet a long life and stay need. It is not hard and brittle, but rather flexible and durable. Eco material. Environmental resin panels. Zero methanal guaranteed. The design has been simplified and instruction manuals reviewed to help our customers. 24/7 customer service also provided for any of your question. Multifunction. Hanging or folded clothes. Deeper cubes can store up to 16 to 20 shirts each. Storage of books, toys, fabric drawers and other miscellaneous household items. Lightweight wardrobe, also prefect for kids storage. Easy care. Waterproof and dust resistant. Easy clean, movable by easy assembly and disassembly. Leg connectors for self-stand. We also offer PDF instructions in case that our customer needs additional assistance. Storage. Each smallest cube supports up to 10 kgs. Measures in 35 cm W x 45 cm D x 35 cm H. Build your own combinations for any space. Your imagination and our product changes living style.